still had a door.
Dr. Kleiner, you have to stop them.
No in town, aren't you? Word of the wise. Keep it to yourself.
You're not gonna hurt me
I wouldn't believe it if I couldn't see with my own eyes.
You're all right, 40.
Maybe you should let me do the calculations next time.
Watch
That's
it,
enough
will
of
ya?
that.
No more.
Go on up and connect the sky bridge. We need to let reinforcements come through from every possible direction.
Oh my god.
Looks like they're mobilizing big time. You can sort of see the gate from here.
Ha! No, you don't! We're in Nova Prospect, and we're running the Zen emulation for the first time.
First model was about yay high. I've been adding to him ever since. Haven't I, boy?
Oh no, Breen started his ascent.
You're gonna have to make your own way to Dr. Kleiner's lab.
Gordon would never make any kind of deal with you. We know all about you and Breen. You've been a spy for the Combine the whole time.